Hi guys, and welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to create an ebook in Canva. To start this tutorial, open your internet browser in your PC, laptop, or Mac and then go to canva.com. In here in the search bar, you're going to search for magazine. In here, you have the option for magazine cover, magazine page, or anything else. But for now, let's go with magazine cover. Now you will be redirected to another tab. Over at the other tab, you will see over at your screens right now that our canvas is already looking like an ebook in Canva. There are many options. So once you go back, you'll now choose a template from a wide variety of selections from Canva. Choose anything from your style. I kinda like this one. Once I click on it, I will now click on the button that says Customize this template. In here, you have the option to edit most of the elements over here from the photos and to the texts. Starting with the title and the content or the body of your ebook. Again, this is just a template and an example. You can always adjust this one depending to your style and liking and the genre of your ebook. In this case, this is a generic one. So once you hover your mouse over to the left side, you can now choose fonts from text. You can also upload images as well, and you can even add elements. You can go ahead and play around once you're already in Canva. As an example, I will upload another image. Once I drag that one in here, it will now replace the current image that Canva is using as a default or a placeholder. You can also add elements as well, from barcode to line to arrow or anything that would make your ebook stylish. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.